G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Today's video is a little bit different. It's going to promote my desire to buy tools instead of rent tools. Unless there's a tool that's over $1,000 and I think I'm going to need it once, I'll buy it because I'm going to use it sometime during my life again. If you use it 3 or 4 times and you've bought it, well, that would have cost you about the same as if you rented it 3 or 4 times. This is an inexpensive electric pressure washer, and I wanted to talk about the benefits of such a tool. 1800 psi. I'd say that's probably almost the smallest size you can get, but that's really nice when you're doing cars, when you're up close with cars. If you're not experienced using a pressure washer, you don't want to remove the paint from a brand new BMW, for example. This is a little bit more forgiving if you get the wand a bit too close. You get a 4000 psi gas pressure washer and it's going to be a different story. So anyway, we have both types. We have the heavy duty gas one, we're doing bigger projects, and a light duty electric one. And there you have it. If you were to pay someone to come in and do this, they're not going to come to your place for less than the cost of one of these anyway. They're so cheap on sale. Hopefully the time lapse was interesting for some of you.